Hi, Tita Violi. Happy 80th birthday to you. Well, I may not be good in keeping in touch, but that doesn't mean I don't think about you. I often wonder how much you've changed since the last time I saw you. But honestly, I really wanted to catch up with you during our last visit there in the US last quarter last year. Hopefully, on our next visit, I'll see you. I know that you are being looked after to by your beautiful family. And my only wish for you this birthday is may God continue to bless you with good health, more birthdays to come, and happiness always. I love you, Tita, and again, happy 80th birthday.
Kumusta ninang? Happy birthday! More blessings and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi ninang para makauwi pa kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Makita ko pa kayo. Salamat ninang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hey, hello Ate Jo, Ate Biuli. Asabi lalamot. So, ingtianak yo, naaruman lamot sa iyo gaw salo. Kumon, ayan ingtianak yo. Makmaksil sulaman yun lanang. Tan, duko-dukoy na bilayo. And, ingat kayo lagi dyan. Lagi, makakakisak ang tuya.
Happy 80th birthday, Ate Bewley, my loving hipag. Stay sweet, loving mother to your children and healthy. Live more years to come, stronger as ever. I love you, Ate Bewley. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Violi.
Happy 80th birthday, Auntie Violi! Whoa, 80th birthday! Wishing you many more years of happiness, awesome health, and blessings. Much love and hugs from Rafi and family.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Good health always.
Happy birthday, Ante!
Happy birthday, Wawa.
More birthdays to come!
My God, this to come.
Enjoy your party!
Enjoy your party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Insan, Ate Bewley. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. And wishing you all the best. Especially you are in good health always. I love you, Ate. Take care of yourself always. Enjoy the celebration of your birthday with your family and friends. Miss you all. Regards to everyone. Bye. Love you.
Aloha from Hawaii. This message to Auntie Violi. Enjoy your 80th birthday. Happy birthday. Pagkalami Hawaiian na kin, lahanaw. Hauli lahanaw. Happy birthday in Hawaiian. Hauli lahanaw. In Hawaiian. In Hawaiian. Hauli lahanaw. Hi, Ate Beauty. Aloha. Happy birthday. Birthday. Maganda birthday. Baby Ishiwatsi. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Tatay Bagato. Oh, happy birthday, Ate Violi. Happy 80th birthday. Good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Okay, I love you, Ate Viole.
Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, ingat.
Happy birthday, sister. God bless you.
Happy 80th birthday, Auntie Violi from us, Mamuyak family.
Hello, Auntie Nina. Sana next year dito naman mag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. See you soon. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Good night. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, more birthdays and blessings to come. And we love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! 80th birthday ka na. So, I wish you all the best, long life, at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy
birthday,
birthday, Lola.
Lola.
Happy birthday.
Alright, God
We
bless!
love you.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay! Una sa lahat, gusto naming magpasalamat na magkakapatid sa pagpapalaki sa amin ng maayos at pagbibigay ng komportableng buhay. Thankful kami sa alaga at mga payo mo. Lagi mong alagaan ang sarili mo para magsama-sama pa tayo ng matagal, lalo na pagpunta namin dyan. Hehehe.
We wish you happiness and good health always, Lola.
Happiest birthday, Nanay!
We love
We love you!